Hello, I'm Michibit, your crypto kitty friend. Good to see you in Silverbit, where we all learn crypto. Today we are going to talk about the Ethereum Merge, this long-awaited event everyone in the crypto world has been talking about. Oh, and before I forget, I want to ask you a kitty favor. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can hear me meowing every time we upload a new video. Okay, time to start. You've probably heard a lot about the upcoming Ethereum Merge. In simple words, the Ethereum network, the blockchain behind the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, Ether, is about to transition from a proof-of-work blockchain to a proof-of-stake blockchain. This transition is called the Merge, and its main goal is to make Ethereum more scalable, meaning capable of handling more transactions per second, more sustainable by getting rid of its high energy consumption, and more secure. Before getting more into how Ethereum is going through this major transformation, let me explain what is proof of work and what is proof of stake. In the proof of work consensus mechanism, the transactions that occur in the blockchain are verified and recorded by miners, which give their computer power with the objective of resolving complex mathematical problems, and thus earn the right to add the new block to the chain, while earning Ether as a reward. In the proof of stake consensus mechanism, the transactions are instead verified by validators, which have to stake large amounts of Ether, meaning they have to lock their money inside the chain, to earn the right to participate in the validation process, and thus earn Ether as a reward. By not using miners to validate transactions anymore, and instead use validators, Ethereum gets rid of 99.95% of its energy consumption. This is really important, as it gives Ethereum the potential to become in the future one of the largest transaction networks in the world, while being energy efficient, which opens the door to more friendly regulations from governments. This Ethereum transition is divided into two major steps. The first one was the launch of the Beacon chain in December 2020, which is the new proof-of-stake chain. This chain has allowed the Ethereum developers to test the new mechanism in a secure environment, without putting at risk the mainnet, which is responsible for all the transactions and Ether we all value so much. The second is the merge of the current mainnet, the chain we use today, with the new Beacon chain, which is expected to happen somewhere between September 15th and September 20th, but dates can always vary last minute. Ethereum developers have been testing the merge for about approximately 1 year and a half. The merge has already been launched in a number of public Ethereum testnets. Ropson, Sepolia, and Goerli, all three merging successfully. Let's talk about some important misconceptions about the merge. The merge will not improve Ethereum scalability yet, and will not lower fees either, but what is important is that it lays the groundwork for further upgrades in the network that will allow it to resolve issues like scalability itself. But wait, I said the merge was happening to resolve the scalability issue, right? Allow me to elaborate. After the merge, another important upgrade is coming, the surge. The surge is when sharding will take place. Sharding will be the next long-awaited phase for this Ethereum transformation. In this phase, 64 validation groups will be created, called shards, and these will be managed by the Beacon chain. This is very important, as all the transactions that are currently being validated by 100% of the nodes, will be validated only by one of these newly created groups of validators. This will multiply the transaction processing capacity of the Ethereum network, as the resources will be better distributed and organized in order to increase scalability. Until then, fees might go down, but this is something uncertain, as the new capacity of handling transactions per second will need to be significantly higher than the demand for the network itself. Now, let me answer some questions you might have. Do I need to do something before or during the merge? Is my Ether at risk? The answer is no, Ether holdings will not be lost. As a crypto holder or user, there is nothing for you to do during this merge. If you have your crypto safe in a secure exchange or on your own non-custodial wallet, your Ether will move to the chain on its own. Please be careful of any scammers out there telling you to do any different. Your cryptos are your cookies, please keep them safe. I heard there might be a hard fork happening due to this merge. What is that? A hard fork is when the blockchain is split into two, having the old version intact, and the new version working on its own, and its participants, like miners, can decide in which to stay. Now, we don't know if this will happen or not, only time will tell, but if you want to participate in the future of Ethereum, there is nothing for you to be concerned about. When will this transformation be over? After the surge and sharding, 3 more phases will need to happen. The verge, the purge, and the splurge. The verge will see the introduction of the Merkle trees, which in simple terms, will be an upgrade to the data storage mechanisms of the network nodes. Next, the purge will reduce historical data storage, thereby minimizing network congestion. And at last, the splurge will take place, which is intended to deliver miscellaneous updates needed to ensure that the network is operating as smoothly as possible for all its users. So there you have it, now you can go explain to your relatives and friends what this whole merge thing is all about. Keep in mind, the merge is one of the most important events in the history of cryptocurrencies in Ethereum, and we will all be part of it. If you have any more questions, do not hesitate to go to our social media or website, and leave us a comment, we will be happy to help. The links are available below, in the comments section. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, I'm Michibit, and if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it and please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Meow. See you in another video.